All right, we are now back here doing the assembling of the battery. You guys can see he's strapped. He put some kind of tape on this so it can have any direct contact. And I like that sign right there. EV battery pellet, do not throw away. Center of gravity. So I'm gonna take this guy out. I think I like this sign. And we go from there. This is kind of cool. You know, like I always tell people, from the first day, my first battery, Nissan Leaf, I opened up, that was like a year and a half ago, going to 2 years now, approximately 2 years. And the advice I have for you guys, if you have to do this, do not throw anything on the Nissan Leaf battery, because everything costs money. Okay, everything in this thing is valuable. It's really valuable. So do not throw any piece at all. If you don't know what that part is for, I would say keep it. It's better to keep it instead of throwing things. Okay, learn from me. I'm talking out of experience, and I'm doing this battery midnight here in my garage, live here at the JW Solar USA. So this is the main disconnect, the fuse. They already took that one off. It doesn't come with it. And you see this is the one that attached to the vehicle. You see it's properly insulated and sealed. That's the word, properly sealed. And that's the other sign right here. I'm gonna take that one out again before I threw the pallet. So let's see if we're gonna have any specs here. Unfortunately, I don't think we have specs there. I'm gonna hold the camera for you guys to read it. Just warning for high voltage and all the good stuff. So it might be underneath, who knows? We have to check it out. I don't know if we have more other things down there, but there's a tag right here. There's a warranty. So we're gonna be taking all these bolts out. We're gonna take them out. Like on my first video, take a look, my first video, and we're gonna go through all these ones out. And most of the time, this is the one that is kind of difficult because you gotta use the special keys to do this, which I do have. And from previous video, that's why I bought those particular set that I have. Is right here. It has all the keys I need for this exercise. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna be putting the probe here to check the voltage on this battery, and stay tuned for that. Live from Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Like and subscribe. Alright guys, earlier I was stressing about don't throw everything or anything away when it comes to these batteries, because everything is useful and it costs money. If you check it online, eBay or whatever parts, you see how much it costs. There you go, ta-da! This is the disconnect, main disconnect right here. And for this battery, so they send me the battery without this, because if this one is connected, this plug, this orange is plugged there, it's gonna be a problem, because if something gets to this point right here, that battery is live. It's gonna electrocute or kill somebody or stop someone's heart. So because I didn't throw this one away, I'm gonna utilize this guy and try to put it here and use the probe on this side with my fluke meter to get the voltage of this battery. Stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I already have this is out. This is the main disconnect, like a breaker. So I don't know if it has any voltage or readings or whatever there, but this is the old one from the 2011 Nissan Leaf. So I'm gonna plug it right here. Keep fingers across. I don't know if it's gonna be the same. Okay, maybe it's the other way around. Let's try it this way. There you go. It's in. Snap. Now that battery is supposed to be live. This is the one I took, so this is gonna look exactly identical when I remove the battery. So by doing this, you learn taking these guys out, bolt, you take them all out, special screws. This guy is gonna stay up there, so this entire cover is gonna pop, and this is how this entire metal is gonna be out by taking all these screws out. So stay tuned, let's check the voltage now and see if we get a reading here.